In this video, you'll see how to create a job in CareerGuard and replace traditional CV screening with skills-based assessments so you can focus on what candidates can actually do and not just what their CV claims they can do. When you log into CareerGuard, you land on the employer dashboard. This is your central workspace for creating roles, managing assessments, and reviewing candidate results. To get started, simply select Post New Job. Here, you'll enter the basic details of the role. This includes the job title and job type, such as full-time, part-time, or contract. Instead of asking candidates to submit only a CV, CareerGuard allows you to choose from 3 options on how candidates apply: CV and assessments, assessments only, and skill snaps, digital CVs, so you can see evidence-based examples of soft and technical skills from candidates. For this role, we're selecting assessment as the application type. This means every candidate is evaluated using the same skills criteria, creating a fair and consistent hiring process from the start. This approach helps remove bias, improves accuracy, and saves time by filtering candidates based on real ability, not keywords on a resume. Once the role is set up, you're ready to evaluate candidates using skills assessments tailored specifically to the role you're hiring for. CareerGuard allows you to assess candidates across a wide range of skill types, including situational judgment, cognitive thinking, soft skills, and technical skills. These assessments are designed to measure how candidates think, solve problems, communicate, and apply knowledge in real-world scenarios, rather than relying on what's written on a CV. You can choose from over 400 pre-built assessments covering roles across technology, finance, law, and many other industries. If you have specific requirements, you can also create your own custom assessments to evaluate the exact skills that matter most to your team. From here, CareerGuard guides you through selecting the right tests and reviewing results in a way that makes hiring decisions clearer and more objective. By evaluating candidates on real skills, you can quickly see who is most likely to perform well in the role, rather than relying on assumptions based on CVs or interviews alone. This approach helps reduce the risk of hiring the wrong candidate, removes unconscious bias from early-stage screening, and allows you to compare candidates fairly using the same criteria. As a result, you spend less time reviewing unsuitable applicants, improve hiring accuracy, and move faster from assessment to shortlist with greater confidence in every decision. That's how easy it is to create a job using assessment-based hiring in CareerGuard. In the next video, we'll look at how to select the right skills tests for your role.